Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Today I am going to discuss the third video lecture of the class 9. Topic is basic components of a GUI Windows. So students, whatever I will discuss now, that is totally purely practical based. So student, I will show you one by one components of a Windows. You see carefully and you can easily understand what I want to say. Okay student, you see students. The students, you see what are the basic components of Windows. The students, you know very well, these are all the students icons. Okay, control panel, recycle bin, computer. So student, these are called as a icons. Yes or no? To open up the first screen from your computer, that is called as a desktop. This total is called as a desktop. Inside the desktop, so these are called as a icons. And where you are seeing the word, see the suppose chemistry question, this is your folder. See, this is your folder. Okay student, that means you see this is your folder, and suppose this one student file. Okay, because folder contains file. Okay, the collection of file will take as a one folder. Bill, this is a one file. EPF form. Okay student, so these are all one of the file. Whereas the chemistry question, you see this is a folder. How do you know? So this is the folder. You just double click on here, you can easily see. Okay student, you see the folder contains so many files. The folder contains so many files. So this is called as a one of the file. Okay, the student, in this way, desktop, folder, file, icons, these are all the things you know very well. Next thing student, which we'll discuss, the important that one is your what, pin, on pin, quick launch icon. This type of the topics we'll discuss. Okay student, so student, quick launch icon means what? Those icons are placed on the taskbar. Those icons student, this one, this one, this one, these are all the icons placed on the taskbar. It's called as a quick launch icons. Okay, quick launch icon means what? It is used to easily access the icons from your desktop on the taskbar. So those icons are placed on the taskbar, that is called as a quick launch icons. So students, see, this one is our Opera, this one is your student, see, at a Photoshop. So this is my one of the folder. This is your Chrome icon, Internet Explorer icon. Okay, so these type of the icons are called as a quick launch icon. This is also called as a icon, and these are all called as a icon. So those icons are placed on the taskbar, that is called as a quick launch icon. Okay student, next one is student, pin a program. So student, pin means what? That means student, what type of the documents you want to open regularly. Once you open your computer, always you open that document. That type of the document, when it will be placed on the taskbar, that is called as a pin a program. Okay, that means what type of the software you want to do work, when it will be placed, or when that type of the application or program will be placed on the taskbar, that is called as a pin a program. You can see that one student. Okay student, suppose this is my any of the folder. Okay, right click on here, so unpin this program. Okay student, so student, I want to what? Pin. Then how to pin? You see, the student, suppose this is my one of the MS PowerPoint. I want to pin up this one. So right click on here, pin this program on the taskbar. When I will be closed, okay student, you see this one has placed on the taskbar. Okay, another, suppose So student, here you see MS Word, Excel has not placed on here. Yes. So I want to pin on that one. Then how to pin any of the program on the taskbar? It is very simple. Click on the start button, open any of the document. Okay student, I have opened the document. After opening the document, now this program, you see this program, right click on these programs, okay, and pin this program to the taskbar. And now you close this one. You see MS Word document also placed on the taskbar. Is that clear student? So in this way student, you can easily pin the program from anywhere to the taskbar. If you want to remove, that is called as a on pin. That is called as a what? On pin. Remove the pin from the taskbar. That is called as a on pin. You see, right? How to on pin? It is very simple. The student, suppose this one I want to on pin. Okay student. Then how? Right click on there and you see on pin this program from the taskbar. You see it one will be removed from the taskbar. So this process is called as a student on pin. Is that clear? Then student, next one is your what? Notification area. Notification area is used to give the notice from the Windows side. Use for the example student, you see, suppose a notification area is placed on the taskbar. Is that clear? The student, suppose I want to see new updates are available. It is displaying the message or not? You see this one, that is your what? Notification area. Okay student. Also you see solve PC issue, 2 important message, 3 total messages. Yes or no? When you click on that, this is also notification area. So this type of the problems have been created in my system. Okay, so this is your notification. If any type of the problem will be arised in your computer, that type of the message will be displayed on the notification area. Is that clear? The next one is the student clock. You know very well, this one is your clock. Yes or no student? And you see this is your clock. Okay, next one is the student gadgets. What do you mean by gadget? So Windows 7 offers very small application program. When it will be offers very small application program, that is called as a gadget. You see how to open the gadgets? Right click on the desktop. Okay, in the blank area of the desktop, right click and click on the gadgets. Okay, you see the gadgets is a collection of the very small program: calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, okay, feed headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather. So student, weather, currency, it will be work when you have connected the internet connection. If you want to place the small program from the gadgets to the desktop, you can do. The student, you just select that one, okay student, and drag. You just drag on the desktop. Okay student. Or also you can do right click on and add also. Okay student. So student, you see, so this is your clock, this is your calendar. Yes or no? Now I'll close this one. You see this one will be placed on the desktop. Okay, if you want to close this one, you can easily close. How? Just click on this one, it will be closed. See, okay, close. Okay student, in this way you can also use the gadgets. Then next one is your student what? Sticky notes. So then how to open the sticky notes? Click on the start button, then click on the all programs, then go to accessories, then click on the sticky notes. The sticky notes is used to give the remember of your work. If sometimes you are forgetting the work, what type of work you will do after 3 hours or 4 hours, or you have so much work you have forgotten, so for that time you can easily give the word information here. Okay, what you type here? Suppose I will do work on Excel at the time of, okay student, at the time of 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. So this is your what, when you will be closed it will be shut down, when will you open it, one you will display on the desktop. So this is called as a sticky notes. Okay student, is that clear or not? So student, in this way I have discussed the basic components of the Windows. Okay, you see carefully, if you have doubt then ask me. Okay student, thank you.